Hey, I'm out here. I got a place 212 acres off of FM 730 North, almost a 455, FM 455. This is Forestburg address, but not too far outside of Decatur. 212 acres. It's got a long 60-foot entrance, and it opens up to essentially the flag. We call it the flag pole, opening up to the flag. 212 acres, 60-foot easement back to the county road. Really not an easement, actually owned 60-foot strip back to the county road. Really cool. I'll open it up here on the drone. I'll show you. And really neat place, but it's real wide open and with some sparse trees and some ponds or stock tanks for the cattle. Listen, it's a cattle grazing. It's an opportunity for you to come in. You can build your house, have all the cattle grazing you want to do, horse grazing, whatever you feel fit. And also it can be cut up a little bit if you needed to get a few different houses. This is for those people that want a few different houses, maybe for family members on 212 acres in a great area and still be able to live the ranching lifestyle. Hey, if you think this is a property you'd be interested in, if you know somebody else that might be interested, send them my way. My name's Calhoun Caraway. I'm with the Caraway team in Post Oak Realty. We are happy to help you. We got a lot of farm and ranch, residential, commercial going on. Reach out to us. We can take care of you.